may think earnings season is done, but it's not. There's over 1,000 companies reporting again this week, and I put together a slideshow of the 5 hottest that I think you should be checking out, because some of these are some bigger names. They're not FANG because they've already all reported, but these are names you're going to want to watch. So we're going to lead it off with Ferrari. RACE, that's an easy one to remember. Now this one was super hot, as you can see, up through 2018. Then it's had the big pullback, it's had the rebound, but its CEO has died. So that has put forth some questions, but they did have a succession plan for this company. And so it should be pretty good here. We'll see as we move forward, but it's put together 3 beats in a row. And, looks like it might try to test those high again, but I'll be watching this one for sure. Then we're going to have Crocs. This one's back on the radar. After a couple of years of crazy growth here in the shares, it's trying to rebound and trying to break out again. So these shoes are really popular once again, and it's put 2 big beats in a row together. So I like that it's being pretty consistent here on these big beats. The street is underestimating them. So we'll see if we can get a pop here off of this earnings report. And then Match Group, this is Tinder, of course. This one was also hot, but it did cool off there at the end of 2018. Looks like that might have been a buying opportunity. It's put together 3 beats in a row. Nobody really cared in 2017 if it was beating, but now it has met or beat for a couple quarters here, and we'll see if it can hold this breakout. And then we're going to switch over to the restaurants because we're going to get a lot of them in this week, and this is one of the premier names this week. Now, it is coming off of its first miss since it went IPO in 2015. So that's too bad that it couldn't keep its streak here. But as I've always said, it's hard to meet or beat every single quarter for years and years. They have a good track record, though, and those shares are still breaking out even with that miss. So this is definitely one to watch on the restaurant side. And then we're going to switch it over to Etsy. Now, they had just that one miss since 2017, so they've really turned it around since they put the new management in. And some of these beats have been quite large, as you can see with the big green arrow there. The shares have broken out again here in 2019, but are they too expensive? Valuation's pretty high, and so these could be priced for perfection. We're going to have to see. So as you can see, there's a lot of interesting things going this week. And so even though FANG is done, still a lot to watch. And I'll be bringing you all the interesting charts all week long and throughout earnings season, because we still have the retailers yet to go. So be sure to tune in. You can get us at Zacks.com/YouTube. You can get all these videos there. I'll also be tweeting them out on Twitter and on StockTwits, but be sure to get them. And I'll see you again next time.